Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Listening and Speaking Channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos every day.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia and today we are going to talk about going to school.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Good morning, Sophia.
Good morning, Andrew.
How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is wonderful.
Today we are talking about going to school.
Yes, I like this topic.
Did you enjoy school when you were young?
Yes, I did. I enjoyed going to school every day.
Why did you enjoy school? I liked learning new things.
That is nice.
I also liked meeting my friends.
Friends make school fun.
I agree.
What time did you usually wake up for school?
I usually woke up at 6 o'clock.
That was early.
Yes, but I had enough time to get ready.
What did you do first?
First, I got out of bed.
Then what?
I brushed my teeth.
Did you wash your face?
Yes, every morning.
Did you eat breakfast before school?
Yes, I never skipped breakfast.
What did you usually eat?
I usually ate eggs, bread, and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
It gave me energy for school.
How did you go to school?
I usually walked to school.
Was your school close to your home?
Yes, it was about 15 minutes away.
Did you walk alone?
No, I walked with my brother.
That must have been fun.
Yes, we talked on the way.
What did you talk about?
We talked about our classes and teachers.
Did you arrive early?
Yes, I liked arriving early.
Why?
I had time to talk with my friends.
That sounds nice.
It was always a happy time.
What happened when the school bell rang?
We went to our classrooms.
Did your teacher greet the class?
Yes, she always smiled and said, "Good morning."
Did the students answer?
Yes, we all said, "Good morning, teacher."
That is very polite.
Yes, good manners are important.
What was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject was English.
Why did you like English?
I enjoyed learning new words.
Did you practice speaking in class?
Yes, we spoke English every day.
That is a great way to learn.
Practice helps us improve.
What other subjects did you study?
I studied math, science, history, and art.
Which subject was the most difficult?
Math was sometimes difficult.
Did your teacher help you?
Yes, she explained everything clearly.
Good teachers make learning easier.
I agree.
Did you do your homework every day?
Yes, I always finished my homework.
Did you study after dinner?
Yes, I usually studied for 1 hour.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
Let's learn some English together.
Great idea.
The phrase go to school means you travel to your school to study.
Example, I go to school every weekday.
The word classroom means the room where students learn.
Example, our classroom is clean and bright.
The word teacher is the person who teaches students.
Example, my teacher is kind and helpful.
The word student means a person who is learning.
Example, every student has a notebook.
Here is a grammar tip.
We use the present simple to talk about routines.
For example, I go to school every day.
She studies English every morning.
Notice that study becomes studies with she.
Yes, we change study to studies because the verb ends with Y.
Let's practice. I study English.
She studies English.
We walk to school.
He walks to school.
Very good. What about you, everyone?
Do you walk to school, ride a bicycle, or take a bus?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear from you.
Let's continue talking about school.
Yes, there is so much more to share.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue our conversation about going to school.
Yes, we have many more things to talk about.
Sophia, what did you do before your first class?
I talked with my friends.
What did you usually talk about?
We talked about homework and our weekend.
Did everyone arrive on time?
Most students arrived on time.
Was your classroom big?
Yes, it was big and bright.
How many students were in your class?
There were about 30 students.
That is a nice class size.
Yes, we all knew each other.
Where did you usually sit?
I usually sat near the window.
Why did you like that seat?
I liked the sunshine and fresh air.
Did your teacher write on the board?
Yes, every lesson.
Did you take notes?
Yes, I wrote important ideas in my notebook.
That is a good study habit.
Thank you.
Did you ask questions in class?
Yes, when I did not understand something.
Was your teacher happy to answer?
Yes, she was always patient.
That is wonderful.
Good teachers help students learn.
Did you enjoy reading books?
Yes, reading was one of my favorite activities.
What kind of books did you read?
I liked storybooks and science books.
Did your school have a library?
Yes, it had many interesting books.
How often did you visit the library?
I visited the library every week.
What did you do there?
I borrowed books and read quietly.
Libraries are peaceful places.
Yes, I loved spending time there.
Did you have computer classes?
Yes, once a week.
What did you learn?
We learned how to use a computer.
Was it fun?
Yes, everyone enjoyed it.
Did you have art class?
Yes, we painted pictures.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, it helps me relax.
What colors do you like?
I like blue and green.
Those are beautiful colors.
Thank you.
What happened during lunchtime?
We ate lunch with our friends.
What was your favorite lunch?
I liked rice, chicken, and vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
It was.
Did you bring lunch from home?
Sometimes I did.
Did you ever buy lunch at school?
Yes, sometimes I bought noodles or sandwiches.
Did you drink water with your lunch?
Yes, I always drink water.
Healthy habits are important.
I agree.
What did you do after lunch?
I talked with my classmates.
Did you play games?
Yes, we played simple games outside.
That sounds like fun.
It was the best part of the day.
Did you have sports class?
Yes, every Wednesday.
Which sport did you enjoy?
I liked badminton.
I like badminton too.
It is exciting and healthy.
Did everyone join the class?
Yes, everyone participated.
Let's learn some more English.
Great.
The word library is a place where people read and borrow books.
Example, I read books in the library.
The word notebook means a book for writing notes.
Example, I write my homework in my notebook.
The word homework means work that students do at home.
Example, I finish my homework every evening.
The word classmate means another student in your class.
Example, my classmates are friendly.
Now, let's practice grammar.
We use there is for one thing.
Example, there is one teacher.
We use there are for more than one.
Example, there are 30 students.
Let's try another example.
There is a library at my school.
There are many books in the library.
Excellent.
Now let's practice pronunciation.
Listen to the word library.
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 Very good.
Now say classmate.
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 Practice these words every day.
They are useful for talking about school.
Yes, you will hear them often.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
We upload easy English conversations every week to help you improve your English.
Thank you for learning with us.
Let's continue our school conversation in the next part.